Why is nobody talking about Nigerian first military medical doctor, Dr. Walter C. Eze? He was the first Nigerian military medical doctor, born on November 13, 1925, to the family of His Royal Highness Michael Eze Okofia I and Eze Nukpo, traditional ruler of Ukpo Kingdom in Dunukofia local government area of Anambra State. He was a student of the highly prestigious Anambra Secondary School, the Dennis Memorial Grammar School, DMGS Onitsha. He studied from 1941 to 1945. He continued his education by flying abroad to Canada, where he studied medicine, moving to the United States of America, where he took a master's degree on experimental surgery. He was a member of the Royal Canadian Army, where he attained the rank of captain. He later returned to the country to become the traditional ruler of his community, Ukpo. He is also known to have founded a prestigious hospital in Anambra known as Toronto Hospital, where he was the medical director. He is the elder brother to the popular oil mogul Engineer Arthur Eze. In 1959, he married his love, Justina Nebechianya Okafor, and the marriage was blessed with 4 kids. Tell me in the comments if you've heard about this great Dr. Walter Eze before now.